We all worry about one thing or another in our lives. And as a teenager or a young person, you worry about your abilities, whether you're smart enough or whether you have what it takes to achieve your academic or life goals. You worry about how you look. You worry about whether you will fit in with your peers. You worry about having enough following on social media. If left unchecked, your worries will disrupt your life and interrupt your ability to move towards your goals and dreams. Your worries can kill your confidence and make you feel uncertain about your abilities and what you're capable of accomplishing in your life. Your worries will make you feel worthless or make you feel that you are not worthy of your goals and dreams. You can manage and control your worries by learning to detach from them and learning to see your worries for what they really are. Negative thoughts or feelings you've pulled up from the past, feelings of fear that something might happen in the future. 90% of your worries are nothing more than memories from your past being projected onto the future. You can control your worries by writing them down on a piece of paper and observing them mindfully without judgment. Mindfulness is being in the present moment and simply being aware of all the feelings, thoughts, sensations, and experiences that are happening to you at the present moment. So, first, list all your worries on a piece of paper. It doesn't matter if they're up to 100. Then sit in a relaxed position, yawn, and stretch, as this will help you to relax. Look at your worries and read them to yourself. Next, score each worry from 0 to 10. Score each worry according to its intensity. If a worry feels very true, score it a 10. If it's not true, score it 0. If it's a minor worry or not important, score it a 2 or 3. As you go down your list and score your worries, you will realize that some of the worries you've written down are barely worth worrying about. Be sure to watch my video next week when I will continue with part 2 of how to manage your worries. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find more of my motivational videos for young people. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Take good care of you and see you next week.